So today you're looking at here, we're going to make some air fryer Chinese fish. Soy sauce, ketchup, we've got some lovely flavors in there. Garlic, ginger, it's delicious and easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So you can see there I've got 1.5 white dory fish fillet. That was frozen, I defrosted it and then I just patted it dry. What we're going to do is we're going to cut it into some nice pieces. So you can see now that I've cut those into that sort of size pieces. What we're going to do is we're going to add salt, pepper and 5 spice powder, about a teaspoon each. We're going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two, blended up nice and smooth. I've got about here a tablespoon and a half maybe of oyster sauce, about the same of a light soy, and a couple of tablespoons of ketchup. We're going to give that a mix. So I've placed that foil dish into the basket of the air fryer, and that's just going to go in for 180 for 10 minutes. Okay, look at that. It's really beautiful, really beautiful. Got a lovely sauce there. Look, a little bit of sesame oil, nice nutty flavor there, and we're going to serve that. And there you have it. Just put a little bit of coriander on the top there. If you want, you can get some green onions or something like that, but that's really delicious. Really super tasty and easy. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.